Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the bass guitar. In this video I am using a fretless bass guitar. These lines are not frets, they are fret markers for my fingers to go. So it looks like I'm playing on the frets. I'm not. In reality, if you've got a fretted bass guitar, you play just before the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, or whichever fret I call out. So let's get started. If you've seen the previous 2 videos, I will have shown you how to improvise a basic, a terrible pun, I must think of a better way of putting this, bass line, which was basically or when moving to chords, that type of thing. But you don't have to play in 8. You can do a single note like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and to make the change stand out a bit more. So let's cover that. Basically we are playing the same one. We're doing C chord to an F chord. So you've got a C note there on the 3rd fret of the A string, and your F note is the string below on the D string at the 3rd fret. So you play 1 and 2 and 3 and on the C note. 1 and 2 and 3 and on the 4 and the 1st fret of the D string, and then ready for the 1 and 2 and 3 and on the actual F note like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So if we're moving from F to C, it'd be reverse. 1 and, so on the F note would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the 1st fret of the A string, then into the C note there. With my right hand I am simply plucking like that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But if you use a pick, it will work just the same. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. If we were just playing 4 bars of C, F or any chord, again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So instead of doing 4 and with 2 fingers, you just hold that note for 1 beat. You don't play 2 plucks, you just let it ring for both beats. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you're moving to the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. The general rule of thumb is you move 2 frets or 1 fret before the chord you're playing. So if you're playing at the 3rd fret, you can use the 1st or the 2nd, and you can combine them, you can mix them up like this. And that's a quick way of improvising a bass line if you don't know the song. As long as you know the chords, that's all you've got to do. So, like the previous ones, you can mix these all up and they work fine. All you need to do is keep a rhythm. So, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up and subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.